Alright, hey guys, today we have Desiree demonstrating a little bit more of an advanced version, how to do the YTI exercises. Okay, for this you can have an exercise ball, you can have a bench. The idea is for your arms to go down a little bit further so the range of motion is increased. Okay, you go further, it's not a small motion like when you're doing it on the ground. Alright, so Desi, go ahead and demonstrate the Y exercise. Perfect. Alright, and she's in a chin tuck position, bring it back down, and again. And notice how her arms are moving much further, and so more muscle fibers are being recruited. There's greater range of motion. And go ahead and show us the T. Arms are out to her side. Perfect. And again, chin tuck all throughout. Another T. Very good. And then show us the Y. Oh, sorry, the I. Good. Excellent. So there you have it, the slightly advanced version of the YTI exercises. Try that at home if you have an exercise ball or a bench that you can move your arms off of either side, or anything that's going to just support your torso but let your arms move freely.